Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are starting a new chapter called Writing and Counting Numbers. In this chapter, you will learn how to read, write and understand numbers more clearly. In this chapter, you will learn to count and write numbers from 1 to 1000. You will also learn number names, place values of 3-digit numbers, which will help you solve bigger problems easily. You will also learn number names and practice skip counting. Now watch the animation carefully and try to understand everything step by step. Pay attention to how numbers are explained and used.
Let's count to 1000 and try fun skip counting too.
Yay! Numbers are jumping! This is so cool! Look! Numbers are on the ground. Let's jump and count! Yay! Yay! Learning numbers feels like a game! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Look! The numbers are jumping and skipping one in between. Yes, this is skip counting. We don't count every number. Look, we are jumping 2 steps each time. Wow, the number line makes it easy. What comes between 4 and 6? It's 5, I found it. 1, 2.
Let's learn skip counting by 10. Watch carefully. Start from 0. Again add 10. Then cardy. See? Each time we are adding 10 and skipping the numbers in between.
I hope you understood the animation well. Now try to solve all the exercises in this chapter with the help of your teacher. Keep practicing regularly because practice makes you better. Bye-bye. See you in the next session.